Hello children, welcome to Kids Cube on Goal. We learn lots of things in the Kids Cube on Goal. We have lots of fun at Kids Cube on Goal. We have lots of happiness at the school. You want to come? Let's join Kids Cube on Goal families. There will be so many activities and we will have lots of fun. And do you want to come here and join with us? Let's do it. Children, what is this? These are the helpers. Can you please help me? We need to find out. Let us do it. Today these are sea animals. And now let's get started. Okay, so this is alligator. Let us put it here. There we go. And now the next one. What is this? This is a fish. Let us fix it here. There. This is an octopus. Let us fix it. And this is a tortoise, children. Let's keep it here. Fix it. There we go. This is, what is this? This is, I'm sure this is a crab. Let us fix it here. And what is this? What is this, children? This is a duck. Let us fix it here. Do you want to do these activities? Then join Kids Cube on Goal. So children, we are going to learn birds. So let's get started. Let's keep it the board here. And first one, what is this? This is a white bird called Now children, let us learn about activity, colors. Let us get started. Let's get that. It's so funny. Now, what is first? I think this will be first. This is not first. What will be first? Children, do you know what will be first? I think so children, we learn so many activities and have lots of fun. We show everything what we did. Admissions are going on to Kids Cube on Goal. Quickly join friends. We'll have lots of fun. If you want free online classes, go to the YouTube and type Harshit Radnya One World and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon for more videos. Bye children.